In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Google Sheets. It's a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's get straight to it. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet that you wish to secure. It's important to make sure it's the correct document, so double-check before proceeding. With your sheet open, proceed to select the specific cells you want to protect. If you're looking to protect the entire sheet, you can do that too. But selecting specific cells can allow you to keep some areas editable if needed. Now, you'll need to navigate your way to the Data menu. You can find this at the top of your screen within the toolbar. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. From this list, locate and click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. This feature is key for establishing your preferred sheet protections. Once you're in the Protect Sheets and Ranges pane, consider adding a description. This step is optional, but can be very helpful, especially if you or others need to know the context for the protection later. Think of it like labeling a binder. A little note here can save a lot of time down the road. Next, you'll see an option to add a sheet or range. Click on this. It's essential to ensure you've accurately selected the cells or sheet range you plan to protect. Following this, you'll reach the most crucial part: setting the permissions. Clicking on Set Permissions will present you with security options. Here, you can decide whether you want to show a warning when editing this range or restrict who can edit this range. Choose what fits your needs best. If you're aiming to really lock things down and ensure no one else edits your data, opt for the restriction. Within the restriction settings, if you decide to limit editing solely to yourself, select Only You from the drop-down menu. This ensures that no one but you can make edits, keeping your data exactly how you want it. Finally, to wrap things up, complete the process by clicking Done. This finalizes your settings and applies the restrictions to your chosen cells or sheet. And there you have it. A quick, straightforward way to add an extra layer of security to your Google Sheets. Remember to always verify your permissions if changes are made or if new team members need access, as this ensures your data remains protected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.